Hey guys, Tilly here from Cylanda. Guess what? The Red Cross is not offering coronavirus home tests. Don't fall for it. In fact, we're starting to see some social media posts pop up of folks going door to door, addressing, they're saying that they're from the Red Cross and they're selling coronavirus home tests. I mean, can you believe this? So, if you're wondering where this is taking place, it's kind of coming in from all over the US. And in fact, it's even not just in the US, but it's international. So you have international bold people walking around pretending that they're from the Red Cross selling coronavirus tests. Now, unfortunately, stuff like this is not new, right? So you're going to see a lot of scams popping up on social media, everything from claiming that if you don't have health insurance that they'll help you pay for a coronavirus test, that you could donate blood and you can, they'll check your blood for coronavirus. So there's a lot of coronavirus scams out there. Your only source for reliable information is going to be from the CDC's website. Let's just be honest here, right? Go to the website, it'll let you know if something's up. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming up on the news from major media outlets letting us know about these kind of scams. If this is the first time you're hearing about it, hey, at least you heard it here first. But the point is, these scammers are bold, it's international, it's going on everywhere, and they're going out doing whatever they can. And I get it, everyone's having a little bit of a hard time. Totally get it. But don't go taking advantage of people. That's kind of despicable, don't you think? So anyways, if you do come across a scam, especially if you see it on social media or you come across it yourself, feel free to forward it along. We'll let the community know. Anyways, guys, I'm Attila with Cylanda. Stay safe out there.